Hey, second grade. I noticed some confusion with the about 5 of you who turned in this subject and predicate assignment. So I did delete them so that I could edit this assignment and add this directions video, which will be right on this first slide. So I can kind of show you how to do it. So over here is for your subjects. Now over here you have predicates. Remember that the subject of the sentence is who is this sentence about? Who are we talking about? And the predicate is kind of answering the question of, well, what are they doing? What's going on? So all of these in this area are not all subjects, and all of these in this area are not predicates. Keep in mind that the subject is in these options coming at the beginning of the sentences. So you'll notice that when you see a capital letter, that's a subject. That's the beginning of the sentence. So let's think about a subject that would work with, I'm sorry, let me fix my words. This is my subject, my mother. Let's think of a predicate that would make sense with my mother, okay? Because there are some that won't make sense, and some that will make sense better than others, okay? So one option would be my mother reads to me. So what you're going to do is you're just going to connect those, keeping the subject in the subject side and the predicate in the predicate side, but putting them close together so that they make a sentence. Now there are other options that go with my mother. My mother is kind and helpful, like lots of things. Now if you think like there are some that won't make sense. My mother is my favorite thing to do. That does not make sense. So if we want to think about something that we'll go with is my favorite thing to do, let's look at our choices. We could say going to the movies is my favorite thing to do. We could say reading is my favorite thing to do. Okay? So those are some options that could go together here. So what you want to do is put the subject and the predicate together, have them make sense, and put them close enough together just like this so that they make a sentence together, but your subject is on the subject side and your predicate is on the predicate side. I hope that helps. You do not have to record yourself reading the sentences. I will know you read the sentences by whether or not your sentences make sense. So that will be my tell-all for that one. And again, I will mark a sentence with an X if it does not make sense, and you can choose a new subject or a new predicate to put with that. Okay, you guys are doing so awesome. I'm so proud of you. I just wanted to clear that up real quick.